I think that change management is super hard as well. And especially in a sort of a decentralized model like you have. So, are you getting to go out and spend time in the locations, talk to the fleet managers, or is it coming from like your office to theirs? How are you handling that change management part of sharing this information and data with them? What's your approach to that? I think a lot of our listeners can learn something from that.
I spend a good amount of time talking to the fleet managers regularly. I probably talk to every fleet manager. Some of them I talk every day. A few of them I talk once or twice a week, but I usually know what's going on at the branch level, or I try to at least. I will make the effort to go to the branches regularly. So I try to spend time at the branch, try to make sure I get as much face time with them. We have a couple of fleet managers who are very strictly like mechanics and just very men a few words. I want to turn a wrench and I want to be left alone type of thing. So
Sure.
they won't talk until you're right in front of them. So and then when you get right in front of them, they're telling you about all of these things that are potential issues, or like it could be issues down the line, or like are issues now. And I have my workload now for the next few weeks of like how can I make these things better for them.
I mean, I love that. Just knowing that going out into their environment and speaking their language and spending time with them not only builds that trust that you were talking about, but it also gives you a chance to hear things you'll never hear unless you're sitting with them and in their workspace, sort of on their turf. So I think that's a great lesson learned there for fleet managers. I remember when I was running my fleet, I would have my suppliers do ride-alongs with my technicians quarterly because it gave them a chance to see the driver's work environment and what they're doing as technicians and how their vans were sort of mobile workstations. And then I made them report back, like, what did they see? What did they observe? And then how can they, as a provider for us at that time, bring some new ideas, solutions to the table that could help improve safety and efficiency. So you're kind of taking that same approach with that hands-on learning experience with sort of all levels of the organization. I commend you for that because it takes time, right? You got to get out of the office and go there. So it's a time sucker, but I think what a huge benefit to have an opportunity to like I said, get on their turf and hear things in their terms face to face. That's an excellent approach.